Namaste. Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students and scholars, listeners and learners, teachers and trainers, highly official and professionals. Those who are watching from the field of science, arts, commerce and engineering, I Dr. Rakesh from USA heartily, cordially welcome all of you. The most Honorable President Prime Minister Saint Dr. Narendra Modi ji, presence of ministers and doctors, Reverend fathers and mothers, affectionate sons and daughters. You are watching the truth of science and spirituality. I welcome all of you. I respect, accept and thank your presence of 100% presence of mind. Today, it is the day of 22nd year and month is February. These are the changes and classifications of time. Time is classified in the form of calendar. According to day, month and year, the calendar is displayed and it shows us different type of festivals, functions and importance of the day and month. And we celebrate differently. But what is time immemorial? What is unread, unsung, unspoken, unlearned? How much that is important for spending a happier life? How it helps us in recreating, regenerating, reoperating and redeveloping our nation and society. It is a great lesson that is equally important for improving our spiritual values, for increasing the standard of spiritual values of our nation. Externally, we are inspired, motivated, encouraged from the external objects, external changes, external incidents. But we do not understand, we do not remember all externalities that we watch, observe, examine outside that has come from insight. Internally, if we are the reader of unread things, if we are the listener of unlistened, and if we are the speaker of unspoken, if we are the writer of unwritten, in that case, our India comes first. Indian political boundaries are divided on the basis of language, culture, custom. There are so many diversities our India has politically, economically, socially, professionally, at every basis. Likely that internal of the human body, that is classified in the different organs, different type of organs we have in our inside, that are also divided and classified by that super spiritual power of God. This human body, man's body, when it was architectured, designed and made by God, sometimes we take the example of the potter who prepare the statues by designing the soil, by giving the size, shape and figure to the soil. Likely that we can say that toy, that model is a kind of soil man. Sometimes we see iceman, waterman, airman. So there are the different types of men are prepared by the advanced technology, electronology and digitology. Do we remember? Do we recall the time when God made our statue, when God made our body, in the passive form? Later on, ultimately, God put the light in the human body, and the human body started vibrated, activated. It started functioning. It started working. Our all internal organs got the light of super spiritual power. And every internal organ of our human body has a different size, shape, figure, color. It has in its own special function. So super specialist doctor know this thing, that how to read, how to research on the internal organs of the human body that are reported, controlled and managed by the mind. What an amazing and outstanding structure of the internal organs provided by the God. We have a special family inside the human body. We have super special family inside the every organ of human body. There are many cells in the particular body of the organ, but who tries to know this thing? Only medical science know this thing scientifically. Sometimes our researchers, our doctors, engineers, technicians research on the human body, research on the dead body, and find that miraculous, mysterious power of energy, power of God, light and sound of that immortal and unperishable energy of the Lord. And they reach at the conclusion that there are numberless, uncounted bodies, cells are available in the human body, and super specialist doctor know this thing. Researchers, scientists, those who are always busy in research, they know this thing, that our every cell of the human body is made by atom. Atom is that structure which is unclassified, which cannot be divided further. So initially and ultimately, human body is an atomic body. Atomic power human body has inside every cell of the human body. Doctors, engineers have read this thing. The research is going on unrelentingly, unceasingly, unstoppingly. Our education providing the platform to research insight. After research, through the waves of sound and rays of light, we observe, examine and judge inside. There is invisible power we have always with us. He who is speaking with us, He who is the listening partner, He who is the reading partner, and He who is the writing partner. Ultimately, we find that He who is a learning partner with us, an energy, a power